In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack newsletter. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll use every time, and I'll share clear tips along the way so your first send feels confident and polished. Start on your Substack dashboard and click Create Article. This opens the editor where your newsletter comes to life. Think of this as your workspace, clean, simple, and built for writing. Begin by entering your title, subtitle, and the main content. Your title should be clear and specific so readers instantly understand the value. A helpful approach is to promise a takeaway or highlight a strong angle. The subtitle adds context. Use it to preview what's inside or set expectations for the tone and scope. As you write the content, keep paragraphs short and scannable. Use the editor's basic formatting to emphasize key ideas, and add links where they help your reader go deeper. Aim for a friendly, direct voice, just like a helpful note to a colleague. Before you move on, give it a quick proofread to catch typos and tighten sentences. You can also add images, audio, or video to enrich your message. For images, choose high-quality visuals that clarify your point. Add concise alt text so the post is accessible to all readers, and include captions if a bit of context would help. If you're sharing audio, make sure the recording is clear and the volume is consistent. With video, keep files reasonably sized and focused on the part of your story that benefits from motion or demonstration. Media should support your writing, not distract from it. After you're done, press Continue. This takes you to the publishing screen, where you'll set how the post is shared. Take a moment to preview the layout so it looks the way you expect in both email and on the web. Next, select your audience. Choose who should receive this post, for example, all readers or a specific segment such as subscribers. Then decide who can comment. Opening comments to the right group encourages healthy discussion and keeps moderation manageable. You can also add tags. Pick a few accurate, relevant tags to help readers discover related topics and keep your archive organized. If you're ready, click Send to Everyone Now. That publishes your newsletter and delivers it to your audience's inboxes. Give yourself a beat before sending to double-check links, images, and any names or references. And that's it. You've created and sent a Substack newsletter with clarity and intention.